Why do snails leave a slimy trail? Hello, little explorers! Have you ever spotted a snail slowly making its way across the ground and noticed the shiny, slimy trail it leaves behind? Have you ever wondered, why does a snail do that? Well, get ready, because today, we're diving into the science behind the slippery secret of snails. Snails are amazing creatures with soft, squishy bodies that need protection as they move. Unlike us, they don't have legs or feet to walk. Instead, they glide on something called a muscular foot. But here's the problem, the ground can be rough, sharp, or even sticky. So, how do snails keep their soft bodies safe? That's where their slime comes in. This shiny trail isn't just any slime, it's a special liquid called mucus. Snails make this mucus in their bodies, and it oozes out as they move. The mucus works like magic. It creates a slippery surface that helps the snail slide smoothly, even over sharp rocks or rough dirt. Think of it as a built-in safety mat, but wait, there's more. The slime does other cool things too. It helps snails stick to surfaces. That's right. If a snail wants to climb up a tree or hang upside down, its slime acts like glue, keeping it from falling. It also helps snails stay moist, which is super important since they can dry out easily, and guess what? Scientists have discovered that snail slime is so amazing that humans are studying it to make cool things, like better bandages or super strong glue. Who knew a snail's trail could inspire so much? So, next time you see a snail, remember this, its slimy trail isn't just a mess, it's a masterpiece of nature. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for joining us today, little scientists. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and who knows? You might just discover the next big thing. See you next time.